Hi Mackenzie, I wanted to just make you a video because it's faster for me to explain the answer for your question. So you're asking about finding the value of x squared when you're doing the correlation analysis when you're finding the regression equation. And I'm not sure if you mean the sum of the x squareds or if you mean the sum of the x's squared. And those are two different things. So let's say that we have a whole bunch of values in our table. I won't bother with the y values, but let's just put a whole bunch of x values in here. Okay. So the sum of the x's is going to be the sum of these guys, which I think is 21. If I'm finding the sum of the x's squared, that means 21 squared, so that's 441. But if I want the sum of x squareds, then first I have to square all of these values, and then I'm going to add those values, and that's going to be the sum of the x squareds if I add them all up, okay? So there's a little bit of a difference in that notation, and it makes a big difference to the number that you end up with. I think that's the question that you're asking me, but I just wanted to explain both of those just to make sure that you're clear on that.